Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Fadila's Kitchen. If it's your first time, please click the red button below and join us. So, as you can see on the screen today, I'm going to make brown rice and spaghetti jollof rice, which we locally call it kwankwan or Chinkafa. So, that's our ingredients. Once again, you can see. Yeah, it's just me. The same ingredients I use for my jollof rice, but then with the brown rice in this essence. And this is my wagashi. I don't wait till I go to Ghana before getting it. It's mozzarella cheese. It tastes same if you cook it perfect or fry it perfect. It even tastes better than wagashi because wagashi is just fluffy. There's not enough. How do you call it? I don't know if the it's rice so much that you don't get a lot enough anyway. It's just by the by. So I blended some garlic and onion and scotch bonnet and added it to the beef and shrimp and then the wakashi. I cook it just perfect the way I cook my meat as well, so that it tastes perfect. Some people would just use salt water, but then that one I feel like when you boil it with the spices, with the seasonings, it's far better. It tastes better. So I added a bit of water for it to cook. The reason why I didn't add it here, when it's boiling, it produces this white water, which we all know is milk. So I don't want it to spoil my whatever. So as you can see, it's almost done. I just open to just stir everything together once again for it to just cooperate. Yeah, so I'll cover once again, and then off camera I fried the wagashi. You know how it is. It's sometimes uh the oil, it will pop the oil, and if you can hurt yourself or something like that. So after frying the wagashi as well, I'm frying my beef. Yes, so just the way I normally do it. So I'm not going to emphasize too much on it because I kind of do this bits quite a lot of time with my jollof rice and all. So I'll fry the beef as well, and then we proceed. So if it's your first time, this is Fadila's Kitchen. Here we give simple and easy recipes and ingredients you can find anywhere you are, even abroad. You don't need to wait till like somebody bring it from you to you from Africa or something. Yeah. So our beef is fried now. So I'll just go ahead and then use the same oil as usual, and then put the rest of the blended onion and garlic and scotch bonnet in it, and then let it fry. Yes. So it's the same procedure as I do my stew, my tomato sauce that I usually do. So you can check it out on the in my videos. So yeah, so after I fried till the bubbles reduce, I added my tomato paste, as you can see. So after it's fried, I'm going in with my canned tomatoes that I showed you earlier, the plum tomatoes. I blended it too. Yeah, I'm doing too much stew because I need some on the side. Yeah, so if you're not doing any extra, you just equivalent to the rice you're cooking. So I added some bay leaf for smell and you know. So after it fries, my camera is not doing justice to my stew. Sometimes it make look a bit like it's not well fried. I don't like that, but sometimes you crave for that kind of stew anyway. So I just added the beef because it's the hardest for it to just cooperate and then kind of soften a bit. So off camera I wash my rice. This rice you need like 5 liters of water, if not more, to wash it. And then there's a bit of stones and a little bit of sand in it that if you're not careful and if you not wash it well, there will be a disaster. You can't eat your rice. So it requires a lot. It requires a lot. So I was in a rush that I forgot to record, but next time I will show you how I do it so that you know. So I added all my proteins in, and then now I'm taking all out, and then use the sauce for my rice anyway. So off camera, I didn't show that bit of my spaghetti. I put it in the oven and then lay like kind of caramelize or something like, I don't know. I kind of normally you can fry it, but sometimes you just want to ignore the kind of too much oil. So I place it in the hot oven and it turned like that. I don't know. I'm not showing it well, but you can just yeah, that's so after taking off my meat and stuff, I added some mackerel, two can of it, and then added the rice I'm cooking, and then added my seasoning as well, because we're adding water, so it has to taste perfect. So I'll just leave it a bit for it uh to cook, or I should say fry in the sauce a bit before adding water. In that essence, it makes the rice taste far much better. So yeah, so after that I'll just go in with my hot water. Normally I add hot water so that it will be quicker. So all while doing all this, I am boiling some water in the kettle. So that's the stew. The stew is kind of like you adding some meat so that it make it, I don't know, it just that feeling. Those who know this kind of food knows how it's served. You can't just eat it raw like that, like how normally you eat your jollof rice anyway. So I just added the water, the amount of water you need. This rice is kind of a bit like harder than the white rice, as you know. So no amount of water will will make it like watery. So you add as much as you want. Yes. So the more the better. Not too bad anyway. Too much of everything is bad anyway. So you gauge the amount of water you should add. So I'll let it cook, and yeah, while it's doing, you can be watching it out. So after it boil to a certain minutes, like not too much, you add in your spaghetti, my fried spaghetti. Yeah, there is this noodles, how they call it, the spaghetti. It's already broken like that, and it's kind of slimmer and tinier. So with that, with this rice, it's far better than you using the normal spaghetti. It's kind of like a big thicker. So I prefer it with that, but then I couldn't lay my hands on, so I just used this one. So our food is cooked, as you can see. Look how delicious it looks, and it tastes amazing as well. So try and let me know how it went with yours, and let me know. I always say this, but I usually don't get the feedback. I don't know if you try or whatever. You can try my recipe. If you can share yours as well, I can also try your recipe. Sometimes you just get tired of your own style, that you need different taste and how do you call it. So I couldn't even wait to clean up my areas. I just went directly in. So yeah, so simple as that. Thank you so much if you watched this video to this end. I always prefer you watching the video till the end, and my subscribers kind of be more than my viewers. What's happening? And please, those who watch my videos, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I have to put this across here. So that is it, and thank you once again for watching, and please stay safe and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.